Hello everyone, it's Drew here, and today you're probably wondering why am I not in my regular place, but I'm in the hallway. So what I'm going to do is do a room tour, and before I show you what it's like, oh my gosh, are y'all ready? My room's getting fixed. Here it is. Y'all probably can see this and can't at the same time. Oh man, it's so dusty in here. Oh man, guys, the dust is unreal. I mean, look at this. Look at that counter. It's so dusty. Oh man, so dusty. Even the air is dusty. Look at this. Anyway, oh my gosh. The only safe spot where it's not that dusty is definitely not in there. I'm going to turn on my light. So, oh man, that makes it even worse. Oh, even my bed's dusty this talking. Dang it. Alright, guys. Oh man, this room's gonna be awesome. We're getting rid of this brown shelf thing. It has my Xbox One under it right there, and it also has stuff right here. Yeah. So guys, this is just my first vlog on the computer. Just replace the computer. This right here. Simply all those. And guys, oh wait, dang it. I'm not sure if the video just paused or something. I'm just going to, yeah. Anyway. So that's a little secret passage right there. Oh man, it's so dusty in here. I'll go ahead and do this. You need some supplies. You need a hairband. You need like a headband. You need all of that stuff, like a headband, eye goggles, and a mouth cover. That's a lot just to sand off that room. So as I said, my lawnmower's broke. I can't get on it. But just so you know, if y'all like the video last episode of what's it called, Pokemon unboxing, I will make a second one if y'all subscribe. If I get at least 10 subscribers, if I get at least 10 subscribers, that'll be greatly appreciated. And goodbye. Oh, my voice cracks. Let's try that again. Goodbye.